What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. This is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra and here we are going to talk about overall performance. We are going to check all aspects of a smartphone and break down display, camera, gaming and battery. Well, if you end up liking this video then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's start from the display. Here, the front showcases a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED panel stretching across the frame with ultra-thin bezels. Adaptive refresh ranges from 1 to 120 Hz, balancing fluid visuals with battery efficiency. Resolution comes in at 2608 by 1200, delivering sharp detail across the panel. Peak brightness reaches 3500 nits, making outdoor clarity effortless. It supports P3 color gamut, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision for richer contrast and dynamic range. Under bright light, clarity is excellent, with the display maintaining readability under heavy studio lights. Full brightness DC dimming helps reduce eye strain during long sessions. Touch sampling reaches up to 300 Hz, and Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 3.0 adds durability without compromising visual precision. Well, from the display to the camera, Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a 50-megapixel 1-inch main sensor with 1.67 aperture and OIS. It includes a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto with OIS plus a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. The front camera is 50-megapixel with autofocus support. Well, if you want us to do a camera comparison or camera review of this phone, please let us know in the comments section. For portrait photos, we used the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, which delivers a natural compression and flattering perspective. Skin tone reproduction is true to life, especially on Eva's complexion under controlled studio lighting. Color grading remains balanced without artificial skin fairness or overprocessing. Exposure is well controlled, maintaining wide dynamic range without blowing highlights. Detail level is impressive, preserving fine textures in fabric, jewelry, and hair strands. Texture sharpness feels refined without looking artificial. Subject isolation is clean, with smooth background separation that looks natural. Edge detection around hair and fabric edges remains precise. Color tone mapping feels accurate and consistent. Overall, this is flagship portrait performance at the highest level. In studio lighting, Eva's selfies look clean and refined, with natural skin tone and balanced color temperature. Details in her sari and hair stay well defined without heavy beautification. In selfie portrait mode, separation is accurate, with smooth background blur and precise edge cutouts. As a camera king, Xiaomi 17 Ultra delivers flagship level selfie performance without compromise. Okay, I will leave the 4K 60 frames per second segment to you. Check it carefully and let us know what you think about the video performance in the comments section.
मैं आया टिका खड़ा जमा हिला सकता नहीं है कोई हम हराम करके नींद इनकी मनमानी से सोए अरमाने लेनी और जमीन ना की अरमानी है बोई और जैसे हम करते बाबे ऐसा या करता नहीं है कोई क्योंकि शो के स्टॉप पर ठहरा दें दिक्कत ताकि तो कहना बेचादर और टांगे फैलाते और मजनू अपनी लैला के मैं हूँ डिमांड में आजकल जैसे सर पे सह रहा है और जब भी देते हैं तो खाओ काफी गहरा दे you know it तेरा वे पैंथर ZXC you know what it is.
Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC and advanced thermal management, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra delivers stable, enduring performance. This is a camera-centric flagship, but when it comes to gaming, it competes directly with gaming-focused devices. Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, NFS No Limits, and Real Racing 3 all ran at sustained high frame rates with virtually no thermal throttling. Gameplay remains smooth during extended sessions with steady frame delivery and controlled heat. The phone may get a bit warm, but performance stays consistent even during longer play. I think I forgot to mention that Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a stereo speakers setup. The speakers deliver clear vocals and balanced loudness for videos and gaming. Output remains steady, keeping dialogue and effects easy to hear during daily media consumption and gaming.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and...
Well, all those gaming requires battery power. And yeah, with a massive battery inside, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra powers through long sessions with steady output. 90-watt wired charging restores energy quickly, while 50-watt wireless charging keeps things cable-free. It also supports 22.5-watt reverse charging, adding flexibility for accessories or other devices throughout the day. No matter how demanding the day gets, it runs past a full day without needing a recharge. And you know what? My girlfriend has sometimes managed to squeeze 2 days of battery life from this Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Kudos to Xiaomi. Running on HyperOS 3, based on Android 16, the interface feels light and responsive. It's fluid, refined, and stays out of the way during daily navigation. It feels incredibly smooth, and Xiaomi deserves credit for steadily improving the software experience over time. When it comes to biometrics, yeah, unlocking through the 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is quick and reliable, fitting naturally into everyday use. Face recognition works as expected, but fingerprint remains the more secure option. Well, it's time to wrap up, and I must mention that Xiaomi 17 Ultra is the best flagship to date. A true camera king, backed by stable gaming performance, long battery life, and refined software that feels complete. What do you think about this Xiaomi 17 Ultra? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
कमरे में घुसता जैसे हाथी टेबल बैठा तो फिर गांधी करते मोटा 4 शो का होते दंगे चलती लाठी हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी सोना था हराम तभी तो